Cordless screwdriver with 3-level torque adjustment, ring LED shadowless lap, and extended battery life for high-performance operations. Comfortable and easy to hold and control. 25mm extra wide jaw. Forged with a strong grip. With a max torque of 40 foot-pounds at 400 RPM and a variable speed trigger, Chemo Cordless Ratchet performs just like your air ratchet, but without the annoying cords and the constant loud noise from the air hose. The stud finder adopts an intelligent microsensor chip with the highest sensitivity, which can accurately and quickly find edges and center of metal, studs, joists, pipes, and live AC wire behind walls, floors, and ceilings. The upgraded 5-in-1 mode provides users with more detection needs. Half-an-inch skin mode locates the center and edges of wood and metal studs up to half an inch deep. Medium scan locates the center and edges of wood and metal studs up to 1 inch deep. One large heavy-duty multi-purpose cutter, 2 tin snips. Cutting applications are widely available for industrial and DIY purposes. Convenient multi-purpose for indoor cutting daily objects, kitchen tools for meat processing, garden pruning plants, etc. The Greenworks 24-volt brushless drill driver and impact driver combo kit provides tools that are compact and lightweight, but with plenty of power for heavy-duty applications. The brushless motor delivers more power, longer runtimes, and an extended motor life. With the flexibility of 18 torque settings, stripping screws can be a thing of the past. The combo kit includes a 24-volt drill, driver, impact driver, 2 24-volt batteries, charger, and tool bag. The Evolution Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw for multi-material cutting is a must-have for the DIY enthusiast. This corded, laser-guided saw handles all your projects both today and tomorrow. This saw can cut a variety of materials such as mild steel, wood, aluminum, plastic, copper, wood with embedded nails, and more. Mild steel cuts are square on the instantly workable finish with no heat, no burrs, and virtually no sparks. Compact and ergonomic design for one-hand operation. Perfect for cutting in small spaces or overhead. High-performance motor for better cutting efficiency. Versatile tool for cutting metal, tile, and plastic materials. MA Basic 200 Magnetic Drill Press is a powerful, reliable, and economical single-speed portable magnetic drill designed for demanding fabrication and continuous use. Compact, lightweight, and maneuverable. The MA Basic 200 Mag drill cuts holes up to 1 3/8 inch dia. With annular cutters, up to 1/2 inch with twist drill bits, 1/2 inch Jacobs drill chuck included. 27 pounds and 900 watt of power handles can be swapped to either side. Handles are fully removable for drilling in compact spaces. Overall height 12.2 inch, magnet footprint 6.6 inches by 3.3 inches, 450 RPM load speed through spindle, integrated coolant delivery, extends cutter life and increases drill press cutting speed. Automatically shuts down the drill motor if the magnet loses contact with the material. This emergency off feature helps protect both the operator and equipment. Features the option for orbital action or non-orbital action. Octane tools deliver maximum power and performance with 2.5 multiple the power compared to the previous unit. Intertwist 4-volt electric screwdriver has 2-in-1 function. Straight line design with soft rubber makes the screwdriver can operate both in electric and manual. Tool max torque can up to 3 Newton meters in electric working and 10 Newton meters in manual working. The electric screwdriver cordless deliver 260 RPM speed fit for fast and easy screw driving tasks. It is easy and convenient for home DIY by all people.